Early Australian penny. Holding an early Australian penny is like holding history in your very own hand. In 1901, the separate colonies of Australia federated into the nation of the Commonwealth of Australia. A few years later, in 1910, the first Commonwealth of Australia silver coins were released. The following year, Australians felt the weight of their hefty new copper penny for the first time. The same coin that passed through the hands of countless Australians shortly after the nation was born can now be held by collectors. The good news is that these early Australian coins remain quite accessible. Early pennies can still be bought for just a few dollars, depending on condition. Almost uncirculated and uncirculated specimens are quite rare, however, and demand prices in the hundreds of dollars. Early Australian pennies, dated from 1911 through to 1936, have the words "1 penny" in the centre of the coin between two scrolls surrounded by a beaded circle. The surrounding legend reads Commonwealth of Australia, with the date below. There was no Australian penny minted in 1937. In 1938, the design of the penny would change following the start of the reign of King George VI. In addition to adopting the fresh-looking portrait of the new king, the reverse of the coin would present the iconic and popular image of the bounding kangaroo, designed by George Kruger Gray.